Hi, welcome back to my Excel solving channel. Today I will discuss you about conditional formatting. In here, this is a dataset but as a disorganized format. At first, I have to create it an organized format. Click at first cell and then press Shift and hold, then click on last cell. This database will be selected. Now go on alignment option and click on center. Then go on font section and all borders. Click on all borders. Now click in here and change the background color, suppose blue color, and change the font color white. Now this database is an organized format. Click on view and click grid lines. Now I am going on conditional formatting. In here there is a drop down list. Click here and at first highlight cell rules greater than. This column is a numbering format. Now click on greater than. If I click here 8, in here up to 8, greater than 8, these cells are highlighted. Okay. Now going on in here, if I change the coloring format, then if you select and your specific color, then if you go on custom format, then you can change the color and font. Suppose I click in here for fill color will be green and font color white. If you create which number less than 8, then you can create it. At first I clear rules. So in here select the columns, then go on clear rules from selected cells. Now if you want to show which number less than 8, then you can create it less than 8. Okay. Now I will go on again and between. If you click on 6 to 9, then now I am this color and font, suppose white color. Okay. Now which number between 6 to 9, right? Another option is equal to. If I going on equal to, then equal 8. Then text that contains. At now I will be go on text column. If I select in here, go on highlight cell rules and text that contains. If I click on small, then small cell will be highlighted. If I click here large, then large cell will be highlighted. Okay. Then go on if date format. I will show you another next class. Okay. If in here duplicate values, that will be highlighted. Suppose if I click in here, go on highlighted cells, duplicate values, then all values are duplicated. If I click in here, suppose 4, then 4 is not duplicated. Now 10 and 1 not will be duplicated. Okay. Okay, if you like today's video, then please like and comment, and if you get more video, please stay with me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.